Okay, so this is the Bluetooth upgrade for the l322 from luxurylandroverupgrades.com. We're just going to go through the installation now for it. It's very quick, and everything is plug and play. The benefit of using this is that it's a completely seamless install, and it also gives you 2 extra USB ports which can power devices such as your phone and anything else that uses 5V USB. So we will go to the back of the car and we'll show you how to install it. Okay, so now that we're in the back of the Range Rover, I've actually bought a tripod. Obviously I needed one in the last videos, but it arrived today, so it should make the videos a lot better, a lot more stable. But now we're going to install this Bluetooth connector in the back of the car. Very simple. Everything's plug and play, like I say. So we've got this module comes out as a one big unit. I've already undone mine, so it's a lot easier for me to do once you've already undone it once, but the principle's the same. You'll see that underneath the vent we've got a seam, and you just follow this whole module so you can grab the bottom and you just pull it out in one big pull. And then it's these barbs that are holding it in, so you just push it back into place when you want to install it. These 2 connections actually will be in the back of the module like that, but I've already disconnected mine. So all we need to do is, when you get the upgrade module, you just want to plug the existing Range Rover harness into the upgrade module, and then you just want to plug that green connector back in. It's a little bit fiddly, but you just need to make sure you can align that connection up properly so that it goes in. Okay, so it looks like that. It may look different when you receive the item, only very slightly, because modifications are made all the time to these products to make sure that they're seamlessly installed. So we plug that back in like that, making sure all the cables are away. I'm just doing it quickly for the video here. And then with this added cable, just plug that up there, we plug it in. And then these are the 2 USB ports now that you've got, one for 5V 1A, one for 5V 2.4A, so you can charge your phone very quickly with those added USB ports. But now that we've got that all connected, that's all you need to do for the upgrade. It's very simple. And then when we go to settings, connect the Bluetooth by going to settings, pair new device. It's XYBT Mini, connect to it, which I've already connected, and then we can open Spotify and then press play on any song. I'll turn that off so I don't get demonetized or whatever. But you can hear, if we turn the volume up on the main, all the controls are all good. And I'll just press play again. And it's all working. That's the Bluetooth module upgrade from luxurylandroverupgrades.com.